How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on three-line icon at top right corner. Now select setting and privacy. Scroll down. Now choose report a problem. Once it loads, tap on Chat with us at bottom of the screen. And you have to simply type in a message that TikTok shop is not showing, please help. Now tap on the arrow next to it. And after submitting, TikTok will help you to fix the problem by responding within a second or minute. So here it is written TikTok shop is currently unavailable in your region. So you have to stay tuned for updates on availability. So that's the reason why you are not able to find and access TikTok shop. So whenever TikTok will bring the update, you can easily find and access TikTok shop. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.